Hello my special people! Welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so thrilled to be filming another video like this. As you guys know, I've done several of these on my channel already, and not only are these so fun for me to film, but I know you guys enjoyed them a lot as well, so win-win. In this video, I'm going to be testing out fake iPhones from the one and only AliExpress. As you probably already know, AliExpress is one of the top super cheap websites, kind of like Wish, where they sell very cheap items from China.
I like China. China! I love China. China all the time.
So I did originally purchase 3 iPhones to share with you guys in this video. They all kind of looked different and I wanted to compare them. But unfortunately, as a lot of times with these videos, one of the phones never made it here. I waited a couple months and then I looked on the tracking and it showed me that the shipment was canceled somewhere in India or something, so I guess that's never coming. So I just decided to show you guys the 2 fake iPhones that did arrive. But before we get into all of that, I really wanted to thank the sponsor of this video. Yes, I finally got a sponsor, yay! The one and only Audible. I am so grateful every time they do choose to sponsor me, because Audible has absolutely transformed my life. I'm just always one who is thirsty for wisdom, and the best information is always found through books, but I am one who can't stand reading books. Just the thought of sitting in one place and being focused on a book is just not my thing at all. Like, I just get really impatient and I just can't focus. Audible has so many different books. I'm sure any book you can think of you can find on Audible, and you don't have to sit and read it. It reads it for you. When I am doing chores or cooking, I'll just plug in my earphones and listen to books. I mean, I could just go on and on about how amazing and transforming Audible can be. I strongly urge you guys to try them out. You could get any book for free if you try it out with my link. It will be in my description box below. So definitely check out Audible. Open up your mind to this new world of listening to books. Click that link and start listening. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, I am so excited to open these babies up and see what kind of fake iPhones these really are, and if they work, all that fun stuff. I do want to apologize real quick if the lighting keeps changing. I do use natural lighting, and right now the sun is PMSing. It keeps going in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. I hope it doesn't bother you guys, because it's bothering me. Let's open these up. Both of these were under $50. I think one was like $42 and the other was $45. I did try to get the ones that look like a real iPhone the most, and they're both in different colors as well. Here's this and here's this. Now this one says Santin. I literally thought this said Satan and I was so scared. I actually prefer this packaging a little more, just because it kind of looks like an iPhone package. Let me open both of them up. Okay, this is what they look like once I open up the package. This one definitely reminded me more of the iPhone X. And then this one just reminded me of the one I have currently, which is the 8 Plus. As you can see, this is my iPhone and then this is the fake one. They look somewhat similar. There's like no Apple logos or anything. It doesn't even have a home button either, which I guess is fine. Oh! I didn't even notice that. This black one has a case on it. Okay, this is what it actually looks like. I guess I'll keep the case on. Both of the phones did come with chargers, and I'm hoping these are already charged. It would make it a lot easier on me, but we'll find out, I guess, here in a second. If I could find the button. Okay, here it is. Okay, so let's turn them on at the same time. Okay, that one is on. How about this one? Come on. What? Alright, this one looks like it is dead or something. So let me plug this in real quick while we investigate the first one. Uh-oh, I think I have some bad news. I plugged it in and everything and it's still not turning on. Why? Guys, right off the bat, I am so sad and disappointed. I turned off the camera for a little bit and was trying to figure this out. I've had this plugged in for about 20 minutes now and have been trying to turn it on over and over again and nothing. Nothing. I went on my AliExpress account and I looked at the order. Turns out, you guys, the black one was the more expensive one. I'm just so disappointed. I really wanted to show you guys. Please turn on. Just turn on. I'll keep this on the charger while we look through this phone, and hopefully it decides to turn on at some point through this video. Back to this phone. As you can see, can you guys see? It's all on and ready to use. It looks like it's fully charged too, so it's kind of difficult because it doesn't have a home button. Okay, swipe up to unlock. Oh, come on. There you go. And then this is what the home screen looks like. It looks like it has messaging, calling, Google, and photos, the Play Store, gallery, emails, all the necessary stuff you kind of need in a phone. Hey guys. As always, let's test out the camera first. Let's do the good old selfie. I don't know if it's just me or the quality of this, but not the cutest selfie, okay? Okay, all jokes aside, the front quality is actually pretty good. It actually reminds me of like an older version iPhone, like the iPhone 4 or 5. So the back camera is not very great. It's really dark, but there's definitely ways to adjust that. The camera actually has different settings that you can adjust. Now let's see if I could download Audible on here, and let's see if we can go watch some YouTube. These are all the apps that are installed on here. I am going to connect to the internet and try to use some of these. It was really easy to connect to my internet, so it does have a Google App Store. These are all the apps you can download, I guess. I'm gonna try to download Audible. There it is. It's actually downloading. So that was pretty quick. So I'm guessing all the apps that you can download on here should work pretty well. That is always a plus. You guys know the drill. I'm just gonna go try to use YouTube, because honestly that is one of the most used apps that I use on my phone. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. YouTube is just the best, seriously. Here it is, guys. I was able to access my YouTube. Let's play one of my videos.
Having a good primer is an essential to any makeup look.
Okay, I'm annoying, I know. Stop. YouTube works on this fake iPhone, so you can always watch my videos if you do get one of them. As you know, iPhones have iOS, and this one is just a basic Google phone that somewhat resembles an iPhone. I just noticed that the charger slot and headphones are at the top instead of down there. I feel like I've seen this before, but also I just thought this was kind of interesting. It's just like a random hole that looks like a home button from the iPhone, but it's actually not for anything. It's just a random hole. At the top of the screen it says no SIM card, even though I did just show you guys how I used the apps and the camera pretty well without a SIM card. But if you did want to use this with your carrier, I'm pretty sure you could put a SIM card in there and try to use it as an actual phone. Truthfully, out of all the fake iPhone videos that I've already done, this one is the best one I've tried so far. The quality of this phone is really good. It doesn't feel like it's made out of plastic. It works really well, very quick and easy to use. Like, this is the most easiest to navigate. Out of all the past fake iPhones that I tried, really impressed with the quality of this. If I was to be out in public somewhere and just acting like I'm about to take a call, I bet you no one would think, oh, that's a fake iPhone, or oh, that's not an iPhone. They'd be like, she's got an iPhone. Okay, that was such a bad analogy, but you know what I mean. But I'm really sad that this video did not go as planned. I really want to show you guys the difference between the different iPhones they advertise on these really cheap websites. But I haven't yet experienced something not working or not wanting to turn on with videos like these, so I was basically blindsided. I don't have a plan B on how to go about it. I'm just really sad and disappointed. I'm gonna try to get a refund, but I don't even care about that. Like, I just wanted the video to be... I'm probably gonna end up throwing this away unless one of my subscribers want it. I don't know why you would, but I'm also definitely gonna be giving this one away to any of my subscribers. Just let me know in the comments below and I can definitely send it to you. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram because I DM you guys on there whenever I send them to you. So I'm just gonna put this one back into the box neatly and have it ready to be shipped to any of you guys if you do want it. This video just did not go in my favor and I truly apologize for that. I will definitely make it up to you guys if you have any other suggestions of cheap websites that sell really crazy gadgets. Definitely leave those suggestions below and I will absolutely do another video like this, but I hope this was somewhat fun for you guys to watch. Again, if you do want this phone, let me know in the comments. I don't know what else to say. I think that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching till the very end. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You know how special you are to me, so it would mean a lot if you subscribed. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye!